this morning I woke up bright and early. Wink, wink. But then I got straight to work. I have to put on my clothes, obviously. I already brushed my teeth, but whatever. Here we go. Let's get dressed. Okay, this is my robe. This is my socks. That's dirty clothes. And then that's my light. And then these are my pants. I think they're so cute. This is my shirt. It's a giraffe. We need this because those boys be stinky. So we need 40. 40 will make you smell amazing. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now that we're done with that, we can go put just a little Moody cup away. Peace out. Love you guys so much. See you tomorrow. Yeah.